It's another edition of the Trading Tips video newsletter, teaching you how to become a successful trader today. This video newsletter is brought to you by consensuspicks.com.
Welcome to this edition of the TradingTips.com video newsletter. This week we'll be looking at Parabolic SAR, a tool that generates automatic trailing stops and entry points for short-term traders. Without further ado, let's begin. There's two components to the definition of Parabolic SAR. The parabola, and that's a complex mathematical concept. It's kind of beyond the scope of this episode, but it gives us the parabolic line. And the SAR, and that's just a mnemonic device that stands for support and resistance, or stop and reverse. The parabolic SAR is the line, the parabolic line, and its relation to a stock's price on a stock chart gives us the SAR indicators, support and resistance, stop and reverse. Here's an example of a stock chart with a parabolic SAR overlay. When a stock price surges above its parabolic SAR, it signals a reversal or pushing past resistance, a breakout. This is a buy point. When a stock falls below its parabolic SAR, this represents the stock falling through support. It portends a big bearish turn. Look at how accurate these buy and sell points are, created by nothing but parabolic SAR. It's amazing. Now remember the chart from the previous slide, and imagine if you had placed a buy order with every buy signal and then sold the stock at every sell signal. And now imagine instead of merely selling the close, you sold short on top of that, and then covered your position along with entering a new long position at each buy point. This would have resulted in buying at 60.51 on August 8 and selling at 62.43 on September 3rd. We'd also sell short at 62.43 on September 3rd as well. And we'd cover at 51.23 on October 2 for a huge 1 month gain of 18% on that short sale. But when we covered at 51.23, we'd also recognize the buying opportunity and we'd go long there, only to sell again at 64.62 on October 25. In all, we would have made $26.51 in profits on an initial investment of just $60.51, a 43.8% gain in less than 3 months. Wow. Now, what if I told you that this stock chart was selected at random? It wasn't cherry-picked. Parabolic SAR is just that good. Here's a second randomly selected chart with a parabolic SAR looking at the past 3 months. I chose Google to see how parabolic SAR might work differently on a high share price stock. There was a whipsaw in early October, and some of the swings were a little smaller than we'd like to see, but the recent buy signal came 2 days before Google surged into $1,000 plus territory. If you thought Google was overbought at $900, parabolic SAR told you otherwise, and parabolic SAR is probably right more often than you are. And here's parabolic SAR applied to Netflix. As you can see, parabolic SAR will rarely steer you wrong. You can use parabolic SAR to determine buy and sell prices. These can be used to go short and cover too. A less aggressive manner of using parabolic SAR is to think of it as creating trailing stop losses for the stocks you already own. Forget firm stop losses at nominal prices and use intelligent stop losses with parabolic SAR. Why is it more intelligent to use parabolic SAR? Because things change. Things do change, and you have to be adaptive to be a good stock trader. But having stop losses that are subject to change at the whim of the trader yourself, it risks emotional contamination. Using parabolic SAR to have a fluid, changing, trailing stop loss keeps things rational and unemotional, but still benefits from the changing dynamics of the trading environment. You can add parabolic SAR to your own stock charts very easily. Just go to stockcharts.com and add the parabolic SAR as an overlay. Leave the default parameters of 0.02 and 0.2. These stand for step and leap factors that calculate the parabolic line. These details were omitted here but because they were discussed in greater depth in Trading Tips episode number 17, which can be found by searching parabolic SAR at tradingtips.com. In conclusion, we'll leave you with a peek at the S&P 500 6-month chart with a parabolic SAR overlay. Which direction is the market heading now? Are you buying or selling? We hope you've enjoyed this TradingTips.com video newsletter. Thanks for watching and good trading.
This Trading Tips video newsletter has been brought to you by Consensus Picks. Each week, Wealth Buyer's Consensus Picks software scours through 800 plus financial sources to produce a short list of multi-verified stocks. Stocks chosen by more than one of the most accurate stock picking services. Then the Consensus Picks software automatically analyzes the short list of stocks using a series of proprietary filters, and it picks the single best stock out of the bunch. The Consensus Pick. Sign up today for Consensus Picks, and each week you'll be provided with the ultimate alert, a stock that's been independently selected by multiple stock picking resources. A true consensus pick. Visit consensuspicks.com to sign up today. View more Trading Tips videos. Visit tradingtips.com. Sign up for our free video newsletters and become a successful trader today.